The Director of Public Prosecution Noordin Haji today dropped yet another bombshell in the corridors of justice after his office dropped murder charges against Public Service and Gender CS Aisha Jumwa.
Aisha Jumwa, all her life, has never owned a gun. She has never held a gun, whichever format of a gun.
Jumwa, alongside her bodyguard Geoffrey Okuto, was accused of killing Jola Ngumbao after scuffle erupted during Ganda ward by-election in 2019 in her home county, Kilifi.
We applied for review under Article 157, 6, 7 and Article number 157.11. The premise being that an innocent person is being persecuted, the civil society will be looking to kill Aisha Jumwa's political career, and that is why she was charged.
The DPP has, however, turned Jumwa into a state witness in the case as his bodyguard Geoffrey Okuto carries the cross. Jumwa will, however, be required to personally appear in the Mombasa court on December 21st when the DPP will present a letter to the court detailing his decision to drop the charges.
She can tell the public what she saw as one of the people who are at the scene of the crime that was committed.
Again today, the DPP also dropped murder charges against Sarah Wairimu, the main suspect in the murder of her husband Tob Cohen in 2019. The body of the Dutch billionaire businessman was found in a septic tank in his Kitisuru home in Nairobi. Cohen's family, through their lawyers Danson Omari and Cliff Ombeta, has however objected to the DPP's move to withdraw the case against Sarah Cohen and his co-accused, saying there is no sufficient grounds given by the DPP to terminate the case.
Permission of the court is not only that the court will be told, we want to withdraw, and they say, yes, please do. The court must be convinced, must be given sufficient reasons to see that this is actually a proper candidate for withdrawal.
Justice Nyakundi pronounced himself that a victim is not a passenger. For the state to just decide to charge, the state decides to terminate, the state decides to do the way it wants to do. The state must be accountable under Article 10. The state must be transparent.
Article 157 Clause 6 says, and I quote, the DPP may discontinue at any stage before judgment is delivered any criminal proceedings instituted by the Director of Public Prosecutions or taken over by the Director of Public Prosecutions. End of quote. However, according to Clause 8, the Director of Public Prosecutions may not discontinue a prosecution without the permission of the court. Giverson Minor, K24, Nairobi.